Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can find your PDF and what to do with it. So if you just go to the software, pops up your PDF at the end. If you go to Save As, you'll see this is the location it's stored in, which is, you go to My Documents, Google Indexer Software, PDFs. So that's where all your PDFs are stored. Now you know where they are. What I like to do is upload it to Google Drive. I'll show you how to do that in a sec, and then grab that link that once it's made private, and then you put that link in the next project that you do. Too easy. So you go to drive.google.com, click on New, File Upload. My Documents, Google Site Indexer, PDFs, and you'll see down here it's uploaded. Once it's uploaded, click on the link. Here, go to Share, Advanced, change it from private. By default it's on private, so you go Public on the web. Yep. Now you save this link to a text file, or you can paste it directly in the software like that. Continue on. Boom. So now the software is making a new Google site with a link to your publicly available Google Drive URL, and then Google Drive will get indexed and supply backlinks to the previous project that you made, which is extremely cool. Another backlink from another Google entity, which gives so much more strength to the links in that previous site you created. So what this means, especially if you use the Nitrous network, is that this was the previous site you created. We put the link in this new site being created, plus we put the link from the Google Drive that we just made public, so that goes to there, that goes to there. A link from the new site that's running right now here goes up to that Google Drive, so you get an extra tiered link. Plus, using the Nitrous network, you get links from 5 other Google sites created in the network, all pointing to that Google site. And whatever links you have inside this Google site, as you can see, they're going to get very, very powerful links from Google entities. And now what's also more important is that each of these sites above here, each have 5 sites linking to them ad infinitum. So you get the idea. This is incredibly, incredibly powerful stuff. So there you go. Really easy way to get extra powerful links in the Google Site Indexer software. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay guys, I'm an idiot. Did you see what I missed before? So when I ran that project, I ran 2 Google accounts in the software, which created 2 Google sites. So the correct graphic is 2 Google sites. This site links to that site, which links to the PDF on Google Drive. This site also links to the PDF on Google Drive. Plus, this site and this site will get links. Those links to those Google sites will go into the database, and other sites will be linking to these sites. So now you get to see how powerful putting that PDF on Google Drive is, pointing back to this. So you get all these links from down here pointing to that one, giving that incredible strength, pointing back to this one. So I thought I'd better clear that up. Now also, I only put 2 Google accounts. If you put 10, you would have 10 along here, all linking to each other and pointing to that Google Drive URL. Plus, we've got tons more strategy coming, so keep an eye out on this page, the download, the download and tutorial page on my forum for new updates. Okay, I'm really going this time. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.